We're almost at the end of October, and that means we're about to see a bunch of new motorsport champions crowned. That also means we're about to see real-life humans make real-life mistakes as they risk it all for the ultimate prize. And whatever happens, Bob's Track Talk will be the winner. Australia was treated to a feast of racing on our brown soil over the weekend, and MotoGP headlined the show with a packed house down at Phillip Island. Marquez gave us a mad smoke show from the start when an errant visor strip got stuck on his rear tyre. That was dumb luck. What wasn't dumb was his fight back, followed by a huge send on Jorge Martin for the lead and a great comeback victory. Bravo Marquez, a neat start line smoke show and a fight back for the ages. Also on home soil, we saw some cool domestic motorsport at Sydney Motorsport Park with the Shannon Speed Series. Fanatec GT put their fancy sports cars to the test for a 3-hour enduro under lights. There were a couple of bingles and a giant dive bomb from a Kiwi, but the Juice Ojeda stole the show with a strategic victory. In TCR, there was a crash that could have huge title implications. Series leader Zach Suter should have been in championship cruise mode, but he found himself pointing in the face of Tony D. Josh Buchan wasted little to scoop up the scraps and heads to Bathurst's final round with a handy lead. Also of note, Gary Rogers saw his new pug score a win on debut. Australia's first locally built TCR car, and a win on its maiden voyage. That was pretty cool. In GT4, McLaren drove around the outside of the Mustangs for the win, while this Mercedes played chicken with the pack. Porsche Michelin Sprint Challenge saw his usual hustle and muscle, but no one could match Oscar Target, who claimed the series win. To celebrate, he had the honour of talking to yours truly in Parc Fermé. Elsewhere in the world, F1 decided it was time to race again after a month off. Austin, Texas was the place, and what a cool race we got. Lando Norris got the pole, but Max Verstappen wasn't going to let him away easily. When they tripped over each other in turn 1, Charles Leclerc put the Reds in front for a lead that he would not give back. There were plenty of great battles over the distance and a couple of spins, but all eyes were on Lando and Max. These two went at it in the dying stages. Lando eventually got by but was served a penalty, leaving Max to take the final spot on the podium. Aussie Oscar was 5th, while Kiwi returnee Liam Lawson came home a points-paying 9th. And in NASCAR, they all rolled the dice in Las Vegas. Tyler Reddick put the air in Jordan, Ty Gibbs put on a drift show, but there was no stopping Joey Logano, who kept his cup dream alive with a surprise win. So that's all for now. We're all off to the coast with the most for sunshine and supercars. I'm Richard Crail, and I trust you've enjoyed another episode of Bob's Track Talk.